Oh, where the fuck? What? All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today, we're not only back with another subscriber's choice video, but we diving into a house that many of you have been dying for me to review. Yes, it is finally here. We are talking about Parfums de Marly. And not only are we talking about this amazing fragrance house, but we are also going to do like a pre-giveaway giveaway. I mean, I just couldn't contain myself. Let's just say I was in a giving mood. Now, today's video is being brought to you by the good people over at Luxury Scent Box. And if you've been around on this channel for any amount of time, then you should be familiar. But if you haven't, then allow me to introduce you. So Luxury Scent Box is a monthly fragrance subscription service created for men and for women, and their sole purpose in life is to make sure that you find that perfect fragrance one scent at a time. And as the name implies, luxury is their thing. See, Parfums de Marly is exclusive to Luxury Scent Box, which means they are the only service licensed to bring you this fragrance or their fragrances in this format, man. So they are really killing the game with bringing this to the table. And the top 3 best-selling fragrances from the house of Parfums de Marly are in stock and ready to go. So let's get down to business. The first fragrance I wanted to talk to you guys about today is Pegasus. Pegasus by Parfums de Marly is a parfum concentration, an eau de parfum concentration, and it is a bestseller from the house, and it is a must-have if you're looking to dive into this house. This fragrance is fit for the perfect gentleman. It has notes of almond, bergamot, saffron, amber, and sandalwood. Again, this one is a bestseller from the house, and you won't go wrong with choosing this one. So next up from the house, we have Harriet, which is also an eau de parfum concentration. Harriet is both royal and exotic, and it's a perfect embodiment of the Parfums de Marly namesake. This one is a woody fragrance that has notes of cinnamon and pepperwood. You also have tobacco leaves, you have frankincense, you also have patchouli, cedarwood, vetiver, and musk. This one is a very nice fragrance for the fall and winter. Harriet is the 7th release from the house of Parfums de Marly, and it's, again, one of the best sellers from the house. By the way, if you guys sign up for Luxury Scent Box, you'll get something that looks like this. You just go ahead and twist it side to side to open and close it, and then you just pull it out to see what fragrance it is. Key things to remember when you have your Luxury Scent Box atomizers is you get 9 ml of fragrance per month, which is the largest size in the game right now. And then finally, they have latent available in their fragrance lineup, which tends to be, I guess, a legend in the fragrance community. Latent is aromatic oriental that has notes of bergamot, you have apple, you have mandarin, and you also have lavender in those top notes as well. The mid is jam-packed with floral notes. You have geranium, jasmine, and violet. In the base, you have those creamy notes of patchouli, sandalwood, cardamom, vanilla, and pepper. Now, Harriet was my first purchase from the house of Parfums de Marly, and this one is an addictive and rich fragrance. All these fragrances I talked about today, plus many more, can be picked up from the Luxury Scent Box website. If you're interested in these fragrances, head over to the Luxury Scent Box website, take their fragrance profile survey, and then you're all set. The service is fairly inexpensive. It costs about $15 a month to start, and then you should use your code BIGBEARDBUSINESS, and that'll save you $5 off your first month order. And with anything luxury, you're gonna have options, right? So you can pay all in one lump sum, or you can pay monthly. Whatever you decide, the choice is yours. If you want to check it out, I have everything linked and listed for you below. Slide through there and check them people out. They definitely knew what they were doing by starting off with these top 3 best-selling Parfums de Marly fragrances. Now, my people over at Luxury Scent Box was looking out for your boy. You know, they hit me off with a surprise. They sent me a full bottle of Harriet from the house of Parfums de Marly, but there's only one problem. I already have it. So I'm gonna pass this thing on to one of you. This is a full-size bottle. The only thing, it's a tester. So what that means to you is it comes in this white box. But you know how I feel about it, so fuck it. And the last part that really matters is on the back of this. Contains a note breakdown. So I don't think many of you guys will mind about that. If you're looking to purchase this one for retail, it's about $300. So I'm gonna give this away to you guys, and it's gonna be fairly simple. So since I'm in a giving mood, this is like my pre-giveaway giveaway. You know, tell a friend so we can get to the real giveaway. All you gotta do to win for this video is comment below and say, what does fuck the box mean to you? I know what it means to me, but what does it mean to you? Comment below and let us know. The results will be chosen at random, given I don't know, whatever comment thing I use. I'll link it below so you guys will know what it is. And what's today? Today is January 18th. This contest winner will be announced on the video launching on January 29th. That gives you guys plenty of time to think of something, put it there. And again, I'm just going to put it in the comment generator and we'll find out the winner. Now, just because of the last giveaway, there was some craziness going on. Look, man, if you win the contest, you got like 2-3 days to respond. Because after that, I'm going to the next person. Like, I don't have hours to be chasing you down, you know, calling your grandma, see where you been, and try to get you a prize to bumblefuck nowhere. Alright? So, comment below. Let the games begin. I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend that we back again. And may the odds be ever in your favor. Hit the goddamn bell.